Good day. Today I will demonstrate to you, and we will be creating a game application which name is Snake Game. So I already created the new project, and then I created also the uh, three classes that we needed here. And here the first classes that we have here is the Snake Game, which is it will serve as the main uh, class of these uh, applications, and all we have to do is give him the game frame equals game frame. Ito lang naman yung ilalagay natin dito uh, at it will serve as the main class of this project. So, and then also the next one that we have needed here is the game frame. Okay, the game frame. So here game frame will extends the J frame. Okay, they will extend the J frame. Okay, so we need to just import it. Okay, for us to not get the error that we have in this part. We should have the constructor, which we called it game uh, game frame constructor. Okay, and what we will be putting here is just a this that add a new game panel. So we will using it because in this class game panel will extends the J panel. At the same time, it will implement the action listener. Let's import. Okay, let's import that. So the game panel, and this is why we have here the game panel. We will be using that, and then we will have this set title. We will be setting the title of the game, which I will call it Snake Game. Okay, and then we will be having this set default close operation, which is we will having the J frame that exit on close, and then we will have this that set resizable. It's gonna be false, and then we have also this that pack, because all the component that will be putting on the game frame and game panel will be packed on one package. Okay, and then this that set visible, it's gonna be true because we want to see to be visible, that the output will be visible. And then this that set location, we want to set the location on the center of on the screen. Set location relative to, and then we have this null. Okay, So that's it. We are, ito lang yung mga gagamitin natin for a game frame. So let's move on to this, to the game panel. So let's have the constructor of the game panel, which is game panel. So here we have here the default methods that we needed here. So that's why we have already have here the public void action perform uh, action event E. So that's it. So before that, we will be constructing, or we will be having the giving the variables that we needed on these games. Let's start with public static final int uh, screen width equals to 600. It is the size of our screen. Static final int screen height naman, height equals to 600 also, for us to be balanced on that. And then the static final int, the unit size of the each column of the game item. And then the static final int, the game units equals to screen width together with times the screen height, and then divide to unit size. We will divide to the unit size para, okay, I'm getting misspelled it. Okay, and then the all we have here is the timer, the delay. It will decide how fast or how slow the snake is. And so I want to put it 75. The lower the number of the delay is, the faster the snake will be, and vice versa, the higher the slowest it will be. And then we need the final int, the x-axis. This will be the x-axis. X is the one who is pataas, yung patayo siya, and then the y is the yung pahiga. U in game unit. Let's copy it. Just change it. We will change it to y. just to not taking a lot of time. And then int body parts. Ito yung magiging initial body parts ng ating snake. 7. And then int food eaten. Ito yung food. And we will start to 0. So we don't need to put the 0. It is automatically 0. Food x and then int food y. Okay, and then all we have to do is we need also that car, the variable car, which is we will be using in for us in to the direction of the snake. And if you want to, I want to the snake came from the right side, the right side. R will stand for right, D stand for down, and U stand for up, and L will stand for left. But here I want the snake to go from right first, and the boolean, it is for running. Nira na natin yung program. And then timer, for the timer. And then random. For random. Okay. Need to import. Okay. Okay, that's it for the things that we have, for the things that we need for the constructing our game. So before we will given the go to the game panel, I want to put first the methods that we will be needed here. So let's go to, I will put first the method that we will needed here. Public void start game. Okay, we will be putting all the methods first before we proceed to different aspect of it. So public void, also we need the public void gain component. Sorry for that. Okay. Component with the parameter of graphics G. Okay. We are getting the error because we need to override to import the import face, and then we need the public void method, which is the draw. Parameter also xg, and also we need to have the methods of public void new food. Okay, new food. And then we need also the method of public void move, for the movement of the snake. And then the public void food. Check food. Check food. Okay. Other one is public void check collisions, which is if the snake will touches the borders, that will leads to game over. And the last one that we need is the public void game over. Game over. Okay. With the parameter also. Graphic G. Okay. I think I misspelled. Okay. And then I think that's all. And then for the last one is we need also the other inner class, inner public class, which is my we call it my key adapter, and it will extends the key adapter. Import it. Okay, and then the only method that we need here in this class is the key pressed. And then key event G E rather. That's it. So here we already put all the methods that we needed here in our snake game. So we have the start game, the paint component, the draw, new food, move, and then we have here the check food, the check collisions, and then the game over, the action performed, and then the other class, the inner class, is the my key adapter, extend the key adapter, and the method that we have needed in this my key adapter class is key pressed. So let's go to the game constructor. Let's construct it. So for the green panel, all we have to do is to say random equals new random, and then this that set prepared size dimension, which is the preferred size dimension will be having here is the new dimension dimension, and the new dimension is the screen width, and the screen height. Okay, let's put it here. Screen height. Okay, And then let's set the background of the screen, and the background, which is it depends on you if you want to stay at red, but for me I need to uh, I want to become the black. Okay. Okay, that's I put this background as a black, and then we need to list that focusable, set focusable, focusable, okay, focusable, which is true. Okay, and then all we need to this is that key, add key, listener, which is our add key listener is here, my as you can see here, my key adapter. Okay, my key adapter, new, my key adapter. Okay, and the last one that we needed in the control, the game panel controller is the for us to start the game, we will call on the start game. Okay, we will call on the start game. That's it for it. And so, okay, so after that we will be constructing the start game. So let's do it. The start game, all we need to do is to the new food for the for the snake to have food to be eaten, and then running, if it is running it calls true if we decided to run the application. True. And then all we have to do is the timer equals new timer. The timer we'll be using here is the delay. Here, the delay, which is 75. The delay. And then this. Okay. That's all. That's all. Oh, timer. We would be timer is start. Timer start. So, and then before, ito lang naman yung kailangan natin to sa start game. So we will be move on to the paint component methods as to show. I will be showing the progress. So for that, paint component G, and then draw G, yeah. So let's see if our game is had the progress what we will be seeing here. So here, as we can see, we set the screen size, screen width, and the screen height is 600. So as you can see here, it is 600, and we set the background color as a black. So let's go. Let's move on to the draw method. So draw method. In the draw method, we will be setting the color of the food. So get G and set color. Yes, leave it to red, and then G that fill oval, it is the circle. Let's call food X, food Y, and then the unit size and other unit size. Okay. And we need a for loop and int I on the index I equals to 0, and then it will be if the I is less than 2 body parts, and then I index will add 1. Okay. Parts. Okay, and then if index I equals is equal to 0, let's set color to, I want yellow. And then sa G that fill sa rectangle. It is the rectangle doon sa pinakang shape ng ulo niya. X with the index I, and then Y with the index I also, and then unit size and unit size. Okay. Else with the else is the body, set color, new color, the other color, the different kind of color that compared to the head of. Okay, color 40, 180, and then 0. G, that set color blue. This for the body. Okay, and then the G that fill rec, the same here, same one. Just copy, just copy. Just to not take along. Yellow. Okay. That's it for draw. So let's try to run. Here, as you can see here, it is the 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 head of our snake. This blue one. Okay. Nga pala, para makita natin yung size talaga nung nung different size item nung game. Let's have this for us to clarify, para makita din ninyo kung bakit ganon kalaki yung ulo ng snake at saka yung magiging food. Okay, let's use for 4. So yung magpapakita kung bakit, para maging malinaw kung bakit naging ganun yung size niya. Screen right, divide and size, and then I plus okay. We will draw the line. Draw the line para maging mas clarify kung saan ang galing yung bakit ganun siya kalalaki o kaliliit. Size all. Okay. And unit size. And then screen size rather pala. Screen size. Screen height. Okay. Yeah, we need screen height, and the other one is that draw line 0 I times, para maging balance naman siya, para balance yung pagkaka size. And then screen, this time is screen naman, screen, 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 screen ulit. Unit size. Okay, let's see the difference para malaman din natin yung okay. Here, as you can see here, this is the basis why we getting this size. Okay, but in the end of the game, end of the project, I will erase it for us to not be distracted. Okay, but for now we will be using it for us to see how it is working, how does the game units and the game size works. Okay, so now let's move on to the new method, the new food methods. Okay, new food method style. So for new food methods, wala naman tayong masyadong ilalagay dito, just the food X and the food Y. Food X, which is the x-axis, equals random, para random yung kapag nakain na siya, it will be popping up to the next different location. Int to the screen width, and then divide unit size, and then we will multiply it to the unit size. It will be same as in the food X. So let's copy it for us to minimize our time. Okay, food. Okay, let's what you see here. Okay, here are the food. Every time that we play or we run the application, we will be seeing the random wherein the food will be popping up in a random way in the random unit. Okay, let's try again. Okay, here it is the the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, that's it. So let's go naman for move, for us to see the body already, the body of the snake. So let's go to the move method. Let's go to the move method. Just all we need here is to the for loops for the direction, and I equals on the body parts. I is greater than 0, then I then minus, and then here, and the x with the index I equals x index I minus 1. Okay, it is the same with the y. Let's copy. Let's just change to y and y. Okay, and then we have the switch, which is the directions, the direction switch. Okay, switch the direction. This is the direction of the snake that we will be putting on. It will be controlled as you know, we have to have the case and the variable that we use is variable type that we use is the char, which is the character. So it will U stands for up, and then y, the parameter of y with the parameter of 0 equals to y also the again parameter of 0 minus para siya ay bumaba unit size. Just copy and then we change some for D for down. Okay, again plus, then for the x it's the same from the x. For the x-axis is the right, left, just change it with to the x, into the x, and then x, and then for the right x and then x. Okay, that's it for the move. Let's check. We have a lot of to check if it is something that we can. There's something. Okay, let's we have no, does not have no the snake, the body of snake page. So let's go to the food check. Okay, here for as we play this, we didn't as we didn't see the game the snake is running or the body of the snake. So let's move on. For us to know that, let's move on to the action perform para makita natin yung ano niya, yung paggalaw ng snake, paggalaw ng snake nung body para makita natin yung let's go first. Lampasan muna natin yung ibang methods para lang makita natin yung paggalaw ng snake. So let's go first the action perform methods muna, and then just we have here is the konti lang naman ilalagay natin dyan ng mga kailangan ilagay. So the running lang naman, and then the move para mag move, and then check food, check food, and then the check collections. Magko-collide siya sa borders yan. That's the meaning of check collisions. Okay, and then kapag nabangganan niya yung mga borders or yung body niya, it will repent, or that will lead to game over. Okay, let's see. As you can see here, lalampas pa rin siya dyan sa border dahil hindi pa naman natin na bibigyan ng methods ng mga paliwanag tong sa collisions. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it. First, the collision checks collisions. Kung magko-collide siya sa border, sa kanyang border, sa apat na sulok ng border, and that's it to her body itself. Okay, first we'll check. Let's comment here para makita natin kung ano yung pagkakaiba. Saan yung check muna tayo dun sa if head collides to the body of the snakes. With body. Okay. This for that. For int I equals body parts of the snakes yan. Parts of the snakes. And then if I is greater than 0, and then so the I is minus, and then if x parameter 0 is equal to x parameter of I, and then it's the same with the y. Let's just copy it to save some time. Let's change it to y, and then let's change it to y. Sorry, that's just 2 equal sign. Okay. Something. Okay, that's it. And then running. Hindi pa naman tayo nagsisimula eh. And then here, we'll be checking naman. We'll be checking the if head touches left border. All we have to do is if the x out of 0 is greater or less than to 0, that's it. We will be lead to game over. False. Okay. That's it. And then check if head touches the right border naman. Right border, diba? Okay. Right border naman tayo. If, parang ganito din lang sa ano natin sa isa. Just copy it. But and this time is greater than screen width. Okay, false din yan. And then here, the top naman, the top. Check if head touches the top border. Just like here. Let's copy it. But at this time it's Y. This time check. The last one that we will checking is if head touches the bottom border. Okay, it is the same here. Let's cut it. Like this time is one. Okay. That's it for the touches. And then after that, if the head of the snake touches that for the body, the left, the right, the top, the bottom border, it's time to okay, the game will be over. So we will be stop running. If stop running. The timer stops. Timer will stop. Okay, I think that's it for and let's start it. Okay, it stops. Okay, it stops. So as we run it again, there's no wala pa tayong control. So wala pa tayong control sa snake. So let's for us to have the control, we will be go to the key press method na. Okay, key press method. So we will need to switch it that get code. Sorry for that. Get key code. Get key code, which is case. We have the case. The key event. Key event. That B, BR, VK, VK left muna tayo. Sa left. K left. Left. Okay, here. Left. And if it is, if direction na tayo, direction is not on right, it will be if the direction is not the right, the direction will be the direction goes to left. Okay, left. And then the same. Okay, let's copy it, and we will just for the left and the right, just copying it. Let's copy it. Actually, it's not for the, just copy. Let's copy it. Right. Right. So, right. Left. And if the direction is not on the left, it is in the right. Okay, let's face also up, and this time it is for up. Okay, up. If the direction is not up, it will be up. If the direction is not down, it will be on the up side. Space it out, the other one. The same here, down naman. Down. Okay. If the direction is not down, that's up, it will be down. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Right, left. Okay. That's it. And we will not be seeing the game over and the score yet. So let's go to have it. And let's first go to the check apple. Okay, let's check the apple. Kapag kinain na niya yung apple, let's check it. Check the apple. Or check the food. Rather, check the food or check the food that we, on some cases they say that the snake will eat the apple. So here I just use the check food. because the size of the food is not food, the shape of the food is not apple, kaya nilagay ko na ng check food. So check food, let's check the food. Okay, if the food, the x, is with the parameter of 0. Okay, parameter of 0, and then it is equals to food x, okay, food x, and y to 0 equals to food y. Divide every time na the snake will eat the food, the body size will increases. Food eaten, it will serve the score of the snake in food. Okay, you can see here. Okay, new food, that's it for the new food. And then just all we need is the pag naman nakita na natin na yung sa this, let's see, let's try it if they eat it. Okay, hindi pa natin nakikita masyado yung pagka haba noon yun dahil konti pa rin nakain. So let's move first to the draw ulit, sa draw wherein if it is running na, sa if running, sa if running, if it touches the border, the game is over. Else tayo, it is game over if they game over. So, para makita natin yung sign ng sa game over, the last one that we will be having here, the methods is the game over. So let's get it. So game over. Let's first set the text na nagsasabi ng game over na. Pag na-touches na yun, yes, game over. So game over ito. Mamaya na yung sa score. Okay, game over. G, let's set color. I want to color that I think that is the suitable, and that with that set font. It is the font that if you want, it is it depends on you of what fonts you want, but for me I want Helvetica, I think, and then uh, the font would be bold, and let's say it's 40. The size is 40. That's it. And then let's font the font, if you say font metrics, para mapunta siya sa gitna, para makontrol natin kung saan yung saan natin gusto ilagay yung font, yung text. Let's call it metrics, and then equals get font metrics. And then let's get the font. If we have the we have the set, we will have the method, the set, the get, as we tackled on our lesson. So G, it is the part when you will having this drawstring, which is, we would call it drawstring, which is game over, and then screen width, I think is screen width, and then minus metrics dot string width. Okay, string width, game over. Game over. Divide 2 para sa gitna siya, and then screen height. Divide 2 also for it to balance it. So let's try it. If it is working, magbibigay na lang. So let's try it. If the message will be giving game over, message game over. So if this will give the message of game over. Yes, it is giving it. Okay, so for the score naman, let's have the score. For the score, let's copy it here. Let's copy it. First one, let's change some score. Just we will change some details for us to ink to we say 20. That's 1. Matrix 2. Okay. let's see this one. Okay, para hindi tayo magka-error. And then here in the draw string we will be changing the score, and then plus naman dito, plus naman dito is the screen with the food, rather the food, if the food eaten, if the snake eat, it will display the score. So there's some error that I to my laptop, so let's keep moving. So here the message score. Okay, the score. Okay, here if the is being eaten. Okay, so it, okay, there's some error, let's fix it, and let's okay, some changes that we will be doing. So g dot get font, get, and then g get size. Let's try it. Let's run it. It's working now. Oh, we need to put up there to the sa draw tayo, sa draw. Okay, we want to display the while it is in working. So let's put it here, up here. Just let's copy here. Let's copy it. Let's copy here on the draw. So taas sa draw. So taas the draw. Here, I think here this is the best part that we can put it. So if it is working, para makita natin habang kumikilos. Oh, okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. I think it's working na. Okay. Okay, that's it. I think we almost finish it, the project. We almost finished the project. I think we finished the game now. Let's run it. Okay, let's run it again. Let me check some if I have missing. There's nothing. So the grid that we are putting here is some something is so uh, distracting, so let's just put it um, as a as comment for us to not distracted while we are uh, yan, while we are playing the okay. Okay, that's it's quite uh, interesting if there's no bleed. Okay, that's it. And I want to change some color here, color of the um, I want to change the color here, the red I want to change to the let's try it. Okay, that's it, and we done for the snake game, and I hope that I explained some part of it that you be enlightened up. So thank you for uh, staying with me and uh, being patient on watching while I'm doing, and I'm typing on the code of we needed here in our application, snake application. So for the last time, let's play some snake game. Okay, that's it. And I hope you have learned something, and thank you for watching, especially you, sir. Thank you for watching, and I want to say thank you for your patience with us in teaching us in this subject, OOP. And God bless you, sir. Stay safe, and thank you very much.